Select the New button from the main tab on the home page. Planned or preventive work orders are automatically scheduled from task settings. Unplanned work orders can be created as needed or created from a work request. Search for the task you want to create a work order for by equipment or location. The task list updates to only list unplanned frequency tasks available for the equipment selected. Here we select any other maintenance, the default unplanned task that can be scheduled on any equipment or location. Let's enter some test data in the reason for the work order. Similarly in the comments, where additional information or instructions can be given. Click Create. You can select OK to enter more work order details, or Cancel, to create another work order. Work order number has been assigned. You can change the work order description, as well as the feedback. They are copied from the reason and comments you entered. Change the work order start time, as well as the duration as needed. Enter the duration in hours followed by minutes. Use the delete and arrow keys if needed. Equipment can be changed. Maintenance people who will do the work can be added or removed. Click on the Change button. Select the maintenance technicians. Save your changes. Select the Edit button next to the person to change their work duration. Spare parts and supplies required for the work can be added or removed. Select the parts and supplies needed, and save your changes. Select the Edit button next to the part or supply item to change the quantity used or required. Save the work order changes. FastMaint can automatically create these scheduled work orders and email them out to maintenance technicians. Go to the Home page, Administration tab. Select System Configuration. Check off the option to automatically email pending work orders. For more details, see the video on using email to process work requests and work order updates. To create and print scheduled work orders, you can use the Planning report. It is available under the Reports tab on the home page. Select the report period. You can email work orders to maintenance people or print out the work orders. Choose the report template. You can create your own templates if needed. You can create and print work orders for specific categories, equipment, and more. The planning report can be run now or scheduled for a later date and time. Work orders can be modified before printing. Make changes as needed. Select Quit to complete. For more details on planning, see the video on planning to schedule and email or print work orders. Review the work orders that are displayed as per the report template you chose earlier. You can save the report as a PDF file, print it, or email it as a PDF to someone else. Work orders can be closed one by one, or by email updates, if they are being emailed to maintenance people. For more details on email updates, see the video on using email to process work requests and work order updates. Update the parts used, work duration and more. After setting the status to completed or cancelled, you can enter the completed or cancelled date. The work order status has been updated to completed on the list. In addition, you can use fast feedback to reopen, or close, or update a batch of work orders. Select the period. Select the type of work orders to pull up. Check off the work orders you want to close. They will be marked as completed when you save your changes. See the video on fast feedback, update multiple work orders at a time for more details. You can also look at the program help for a more detailed guide.